Are your squeaky floors driving you crazy? Here's how to DIY fix them through your existing carpet. We used to ignore the squeak in the hallway, but once we had a baby, it started to wake him up. We had to fix this quick. You will need one of these kits to fix your floors. I'll link to it below. The first thing you need to do is locate the studs in the floor. You can do this by drilling in and feeling where you can feel the wood, or knocking using a hammer and listening for the wood noise. The basic idea is that when your floor squeaks, that's the plywood subfloor going up and down on a screw, and you want to tighten it down so it can't wiggle up and down anymore. So place that tripod over where you found the stud and drill in using the special drill attachment and screws that come with your kit. The screw's going to poke out a little bit. It's supposed to. You can use the side of the tripod to snap it clean off, and then you can't feel it at all, you can't see it, it doesn't damage the carpet whatsoever. It's almost like it was never even there. Repeat this process along the studs until you've snapped off all the screws and you are pleased with your results. Ta-da! No more squeak. Hopefully now we can keep the baby asleep. For more doable DIY projects and more details, visit charlestoncrafted.com.